Samsung Galaxy New 5G offers stylish looks, 50-megapixel camera, 8 GB RAM, features and best display in segment. Samsung has strengthened its presence in the competitive mid-range smartphone market with the Galaxy M35 5G, a device that launched in mid-2024 and continues to attract users seeking reliable performance combined with premium features. This smartphone targets consumers who want dependable daily performance without sacrificing essential features like display quality and battery endurance. The device represents Samsung's strategy to provide comprehensive smartphone experiences at accessible price points while maintaining the quality standards associated with the Galaxy brand. By focusing on core user requirements such as display technology, battery life, and long-term software support, Samsung has created a device that appeals to practical users who prioritize functionality over flashy specifications. Display excellence and build quality. The centerpiece of the Galaxy M35 5G is its impressive 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity-O display that delivers exceptional visual experiences for multimedia consumption and daily usage. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions that enhance both productivity tasks and entertainment activities. With peak brightness reaching 1000 nits, the display maintains excellent visibility even in challenging outdoor lighting conditions, making it suitable for users who frequently use their devices in various environments. The implementation of Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection provides enhanced durability against scratches and accidental drops, reducing the need for additional screen protection accessories. Complementing the visual experience, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support create immersive audio quality that enhances video streaming, gaming, and music listening experiences. Performance architecture and processing power. The Galaxy M35 5G utilizes Samsung's 5nm Exynos 1380 chipset paired with up to 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, creating a hardware foundation capable of handling routine smartphone tasks effectively. The processor demonstrates reliable performance for most everyday applications including social media browsing, productivity software, and moderate gaming scenarios. Storage expansion capabilities support microSD cards up to 1 TB, providing users with flexibility to accommodate large media libraries and extensive application collections. However, some users have reported occasional performance inconsistencies during intensive multitasking or demanding applications, suggesting that the device performs best within typical usage patterns rather than extreme performance scenarios. The overall user experience remains smooth for standard smartphone activities while maintaining acceptable thermal management during extended usage periods. Camera system and photography capabilities. The photography experience centers around a 50-megapixel OIS-enabled main sensor that captures detailed images with accurate color reproduction across various lighting conditions. The optical image stabilization technology helps reduce blur during handheld photography, particularly beneficial for low-light scenarios where camera shake typically affects image quality. Supporting the main camera are an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens for expansive landscape shots and group photography, plus a 2-megapixel macro lens for close-up detail work. The 13-megapixel front-facing camera supports 4K video recording and includes AI-enhanced modes for improved selfie quality and video calling experiences. Advanced photography features including nightography, astrolapse, and object eraser provide creative tools for users interested in exploring different photographic styles and techniques. Battery performance and charging capabilities. One of the standout features of the Galaxy M35 5G is its substantial 6000 mAh battery that consistently delivers excellent endurance across various usage patterns. Many users report achieving 2 full days of usage with moderate smartphone activities, effectively eliminating daily charging anxiety that affects users of devices with smaller battery capacities. The battery performance makes the device particularly suitable for travelers, heavy users, and individuals who require reliable power throughout extended work days. Charging occurs through 25W fast charging technology that typically requires approximately 2 hours for complete battery restoration. While the charging adapter is not included in the retail package, the charging speed provides reasonable convenience for users who prefer overnight charging or extended charging sessions. Software experience and long-term support. The Galaxy M35 5G ships with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6. One interface, providing a refined software experience with intuitive navigation and useful productivity features. Samsung's commitment to 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches represents exceptional value in the mid-range segment, ensuring long-term device relevance and security. Connectivity features include comprehensive 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC capabilities, and Samsung Knox security integration. Available in multiple storage configurations starting at 19,999 rupees, the device offers competitive value for users prioritizing display quality, battery endurance, and reliable performance over cutting-edge specifications.